Imagine walking into any room and instantly commanding respect without saying a word, or building relationships so solid they withstand any storm. Sounds powerful, right? But what if I told you that ancient Stoic philosophy holds the secrets to achieving just that? Today, we're diving into the core of Stoicism to unlock 10 timeless techniques for earning love and respect, not through manipulation, but through authenticity and inner strength. Technique 1. Master self-control. Want to know the first rule for earning respect? It starts with controlling yourself. The Stoics believed that true power and respect come from mastering our own minds. When you walk through life calmly, controlling your emotions, people see you as unshakable. Showing control over yourself stands out. People will notice, and they'll respect you for it. Marcus Aurelius said, "The closer you are to tranquility, the closer you are to power. And power, my friends, attracts respect." Think about the people you respect the most. Likely they're not the loudest. Instead, they're calm, composed, and grounded. Technique 2. Embrace humility. Did you know that the people we admire most are often the most humble? Humility is a core Stoic virtue. It shows you're not above others and makes you more approachable. Humility isn't self-deprecation. It's valuing others and respecting their perspectives. It says, "I'm still learning. I don't have all the answers." And that's powerful. Seneca reminds us, no one is crushed by fortune unless they let pride rise. A humble person is unstoppable. Why it works. No one respects arrogance. Show humility, and people will be more willing to respect and connect with you. Technique 3. Live with integrity. Here's a question. How much is your word worth to those around you? Stoics believe your actions must align with your values. Integrity means being honest, reliable, and trustworthy. Living with integrity shows your word has weight. Epictetus taught, "Let your words and actions line up." Every time you follow through, you strengthen respect and trust. Why it works. Integrity is rare, and when people know they can count on you, you earn respect naturally. Technique 4. Listen more, talk less. Ready to build instant rapport. Here's a surprising secret. Stop talking so much. When you genuinely listen, you show respect for others. People love being heard, and when they know you value their thoughts, you become someone they trust. In the words of Zeno, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we can listen twice as much as we speak. Why it works. The more you listen, the more people feel valued, and they'll respect you in return. Technique 5. Practice empathy. Want to know the quickest way to earn love? Show people that you understand them. Empathy connects you with others. The Stoics understood that seeing the world through another's eyes builds bridges. When you empathize, people feel seen and understood. As Marcus Aurelius observed, accept the actions of others with understanding, not judgment. Why it works. Empathy makes people feel valued, strengthening relationships and building unbreakable respect. Technique 6. Stand firm in your values. Ever been admired just for sticking to your principles? Stoicism teaches that standing firm in your values is essential. People respect those who hold strong beliefs without imposing them on others. Seneca once advised, stay true to what is right. When others see your dedication to what you believe, they'll respect you. Why it works. People respect strength of character. Standing firm in your values attracts respect effortlessly. Technique 7. Cultivate emotional resilience. Want people to see you as unbreakable. Learn how to weather the storm. Emotional resilience means bouncing back from setbacks. Stoics believe challenges are opportunities to grow. Resilience signals stability, showing others you're not easily shaken. As Epictetus said, It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. Why it works. Resilience proves inner strength, and others will look to you as a leader when you rise above setbacks. Technique 8. Act with compassion, not judgment. Want people to trust you deeply. Show them compassion, not criticism. The Stoics valued compassion because it recognizes that everyone has struggles. Instead of judging or criticizing, offer understanding. Marcus Aurelius reminded us, be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. Why it works. Compassionate people are rare, and they earn love and respect without demanding it. Technique 9. Embrace simplicity and avoid boasting. Did you know that humility is a magnet for admiration? The Stoics saw value in simplicity and humility. They believed that life should be about essentials, not flashiness. Seneca said, "It's not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more, who is poor. Live simply, and people will respect your contentment." Why it works. People respect authenticity. When you live simply, they see someone who values themselves, not material things. Technique 10. Practice patience and perseverance. Want to leave a lasting impression. Show that you're in it for the long haul. Patience is rare, but Stoics teach that respect comes from enduring through difficulty. Your patience is a testament to your commitment and earns admiration over time. Epictetus encouraged us to bear and forbear, meaning enduring without complaint. Why it works. When you're patient, people see you as committed and resilient, qualities that naturally inspire respect. So, to earn love and respect, remember these Stoic principles. Control yourself, stay humble, live with integrity, listen deeply, show empathy, stand by your values, build resilience, act with compassion, embrace simplicity, and practice patience. These aren't tricks. They're ways of being that make you someone people respect and want to be around. Adopt them and watch how your relationships transform.